Good day. Today we're going to approach or solve unit rate using a not so different method from what you already know or learned from your previous teacher. Want you to remember that unit rate deals with an equations of y is equal to kx, wherein k is equal to y over x, which means whenever you have a word problems, there will always be two numbers given. I need to know which one is my y value and which one is my x value. Let's read the problem. I do number 1. A printing store used 24 ounces of ink in 18 minutes. Which graph has a slope that best represents the average number of ounces of ink used per minute? Highlighting my two given, and that is 24 ounces and 18 minutes. Which is my y and which is my x? Now, if you are going to look at your choices, I can see right away that time all pertains to the x value, while the amount of ink in ounces deals with the y value. And frankly, for future reference students, time is always x value. If you encounter another unit rate problem that has time in it, it's always going to be the x value. Having said that, 24 ounces is y and 18 minutes is x. We substitute, we got 24 over 18. What you have learned from all of us is we simply type 24 divided by 18. We get the simpler fraction that gives you 4 over 3. And then we write it in a point format, and that becomes 3, 4. Then we look which of the following graph has 3 and 4. Now, we are just going to tweak it a little bit. So, do you know, by just simply adding x to 24 over 18, it will suddenly produce a line graph. And whenever you have a line graph, you can come up or create a table of values. By clicking this setting icon that's being highlighted right now, it will show you the table of values icon. Let me click that. You see that there are multiple values in the x that when you plug into the equation, it will give you the values of y. Let me delete these numbers just to have a clean slate. Now I have the ability to type whatever number that's in here and a y value will show up. Let's say I put 0. It gives me 0. Let me write that down here. 0, 0. Say I put 1, it will give me 1.33. Say I put 2, it will give me 2.66. I put 3, it will give me 4. I put 4, it will give me 5. I put 6, it will give me 8. Common sense tells me that I am going to pick the perfect point, or what we call the whole numbers. I'm going to disregard all the negatives, or rather the decimal answers here. So I'm going to write down 3 and 4 and 6 and 8. This will assist you not only with unit rate, but in also graphing skills. It will help you strengthen your graphing skills. Now all we need to do is check these points. Whichever graph has these points, then that's going to be your answer. All right, so we got 0, 0. Every single choices here has 0, 0. Now we check 3, 4, just like what we have here. 3 and 4 is here. A is not the answer. 3 and 4. B has 3 and 4. If you want to further check, we have 6 and 8. 6 and 8 is here. Then the answer is letter B. Hope you get it.